Have you ever wondered how stupid you might really be? Well, it's time to find out the truth that your teachers, friends, and even your mom have always suspected but never told you straight up. In this IQ test, I'm going to test every brain cell you have, or should have, and see if you're an idiot, just average, or a true genius. But first, listen to the rules. There are 15 questions, and you have 15 seconds to answer each one. Every right answer gets you a point. And don't be dumb, write down your score and share it in the comments afterward. Let's get started. Question 1. Which shape comes next in the sequence? A, B, C, or D? Stop! This is easy, airhead. The answer is D. Just look at how the hexagon and X switch colors, and how the X and circle move clockwise. That's why D is correct. Question 2. If all bloops are razzles and all razzles are gleepos, then all bloops are definitely what? A, gleepos, B, razzles, C, bloops, D, none of the above. Stop! If you didn't pick gleepos, congrats. You've just shown you don't get basic logic. Here's the deal. All bloops are razzles, and all razzles are gleepos. So that means all bloops have to be gleepos, you idiot. Question 3. How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? A, 10 times. B, once. C, 9 times. D, as many as you want. Stop! The answer is B, once. You can only subtract 10 from 100 once, you moron, because after that you're subtracting from 90. If you thought you could keep going, maybe math isn't your thing, huh? Question 4. How many triangles do you see in the picture? A, 9, B, 13, C, 17, D, 15. Stop! The answer is B, 13. Seriously, you couldn't count the 13 triangles? Here, let me do the hard work for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See? All right under your nose. Question 5. Find the next number in the series. 2, 6, 12, 20. A, 30. B, 28. C, 36. D, 24. Stop! The answer is A, 30. If you got it wrong, you must have skipped some basic math classes because this is so easy. Even a squirrel could figure it out. Here's the deal. Each step, you add an even number that's bigger than the last one. 2 plus 4 equals 6, 6 plus 6 equals 12, 12 plus 8 equals 20. So the next step, add 10, 20 plus 10 equals 30. Easy. Question 6. Which of the following comes next in the sequence? A, B, C, or D? Stop! The answer is A. Obviously, the shapes are rotating clockwise and following a pattern. In the second frame, they jumped 2 positions. In the third, 3. And now, surprise, they jump 4 positions. Easy, right, airhead? If you couldn't even figure this out, I'm worried about you. Question 7. If Sally is taller than John and John is taller than Tom, who is the shortest? A, Sally. B, John. C, Tom. D, can't be determined. Oh, come on. This is practically a kindergarten riddle. The answer is C. Let's break it down. Sally's taller than John. John's taller than Tom. So Tom is the shortest? Duh. Give a like if you got this right. Question 8. What letter comes next in this pattern? A, N, B, I, C, T, D, G. Stop! The answer is N. And if you missed that, maybe it's time to give your brain a little workout. Here's the logic. O, T, T, F, F, S, S, E. They're the first letters of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So obviously the next letter is N for 9. Question 9. Choose the expression that doesn't belong in the group. A, B, C, or D. Stop! The answer is D. It's simple. Expressions A, B, and C all equal 10, which is pretty obvious. So, of course, option D doesn't belong in the group. Question 10. Which conclusion follows from the statements with absolute certainty? 1. None of the stamp collectors is an architect. 2. All the drones are stamp collectors. A. All stamp collectors are architects. B. Architects are not drones. C. No stamp collectors are drones. D. Some drones are architects. Stop! The answer is B. Architects are not drones. Why? If all drones are stamp collectors and no stamp collector is an architect, then it's obvious that no architect can be a drone. Seriously, this is basic logic. Question 11. An electric train is traveling north at 100 kilometers per hour. The wind is blowing south at 10 kilometers per hour. In which direction does the smoke go? A, north, B, south, C, east, D, none of the above. Stop! This question was just to see if you're still awake. The answer is D, none of the above. Because guess what? Electric trains don't produce smoke. The smoke isn't going anywhere, but I bet your finger is about to accidentally hit that subscribe button. Question 12. Which of the following comes next in this sequence? A, B, C, or D? Stop! The answer is B. Oh, didn't get it? Pay attention. The sequence of shapes is increasing the number of straight lines with each step, along with changing colors. The first shape has 2 lines, the second has 3, the third has 4, and the fourth has 5 lines. So, the next shape should have 6 lines and be purple, just like option B, you idiot. Question 13. What completes the following pattern? A, B, C, or D? Stop! The answer is A, IVJ. You'll need at least half a brain to crack this one. Remember the order of the letters in the alphabet and think about this. From C to E and then to G, there's a jump of 2 letters. Then from S to T and then to U, there's a jump of 1 letter. From D to F and then to H, the jump is back to 2 letters. Following this logic, the next letter should be I, because after G, we jump 2 letters forward in the alphabet. Then we go from U to V with a jump of 1, and from H to J with another jump of 2. Question 14. All roses are flowers. Some flowers fade quickly. Therefore, A, all roses fade quickly. B, some roses fade quickly. C, all flowers fade quickly. D, some roses may fade quickly. Stop! The answer is D. Some roses may fade quickly. Why? Because it says may, leaving room for possibility without outright claiming that all roses are doomed to fade quickly. The original statement didn't guarantee anything. Question 15. Which number is missing? A, 9, B, 3, C, 7, D, 11. Stop! The correct answer is C, 7, and here's why. When you add up the numbers connected in the square, they total 28. Now take a look at the square where a number is missing. The sum is 21, so to reach 28, the missing number has to be 7. Seriously, even a penguin could figure this out. Now it's time for the truth. Find out if you're a genius, average, or stupid. Comment your result below, but if you haven't hit genius level yet, it might be because you don't know about NASA's theta brainwave trick. Click the link in the pinned comment now to discover how to unlock your inner genius just by listening to a special audio. And I hope to see you in the next video, or else you're dumber than I thought.